In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an admin on Telegram channel. You are admin right now. If you are want to add another admin on your Telegram channel, so first thing I open on here, then find out your channel. Okay, this one. Now again click on this name, then just click on this pencil icon, then you can see here are all the settings available. Now click on administration, then you can see add admin. Wow, here are no admin available right now, so just click name here charge. So you can see here are sign all, I mean this is my friend, so I want to add as a admin, so I want to keep the some limitation. He are not able to add new admin, this is able to only me. Then manage live stream, invite link. Okay, everything are good, so I want to just uh, turn off this option only. If you want to just tick mark then one, so I don't need, just click on right button. Wow, it's going to a message to Hussein Al Amin as a admin. So when he receive this notification, he are able to change everything and doing everything in this channel. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel, so you can take care. Goodbye.